So what are we getting today?
Kumpir.
What is that?
Potato.
Let's go. Kumpir. We're getting kumpir. 100.
$100.
$100.
Dollar, euro, and no problem.
Is this, what is this? Ah, it's just a picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, you choose which one you want. Can we have here?
Everything.
This one. Thank you.
$100.
$100. No problem.
Ketchup, man.
Oh, ketchup, yes. What's your name?
Ketchup.
Ibrahimovic.
Rahim.
Ibrahimovic.
Wait.
Do you watch football? Football? Galatasaray, which Beşiktaş.
Fenerbahçe.
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 Who plays Zaniolo?
Fenerbahçe
Who?
good.
No, Beşiktaş.
Beşiktaş.
Fenerbahçe.
Fenerbahçe crazy.
Galatasaray.
Korea.
Yeah, you got it.
Propaganda. Oh my god.
Oh, did I pay?
Yeah, you did.
200 lira.
200
200
bucks.
lira bahşiş. Tip
Thank
bak.
you, my
Bye.
friend.
Lan parayı
Sam
verdi.
is good.
Verdi. Niye lan sen ne yapıyorsun? Kes.
Ah, choose. Should we get it too?
Bir saniye bekle ben abi.
Seviyor değil mi o?
Sausage, salad.
Salads.
Merhaba. Ama size.
Couscous. Yeah.
Basically the same thing as yours besides the olives.
Okay, you don't want this.
I don't want olives,
Okay,
no.
I got it. So many cats here. Huh?
Yeah.
You want
Everywhere.
pickles too? Pickles.
Yeah, pickles.
So no olives.
Yeah, basically no olives.
Only one?
Wow.
Oh,
I mean, he's better.
it's better. Güzel.
Gel.
Who's this guy? Oh, cheese mixed potato. How do you say potato?
Bak torpili.
It's crazy. All of these, they all yell at you, come here.
funny.
Yeah.
Oh, sausage. Oh, this pickle. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay. Good.
Just
That's it.
ketchup mayo.
Ketchup, yes.
Ketchup mayo.
Yes, please.
Yes please. Memleket.
Teşekkürler. Yeah, you. Next time we come.
Abi aşıklara özel. Aşıklara özel gel. Teşekkürler abi gel.
Oh, pişik.
Gel aşıklara özel gel eyvallah abi. Abi. Torpili yapacağım gel. Abi aşıklar dedik ya.
Oy. Wow.
Thank you.
Hey.
Beşiktaş.
Beşiktaş.
Thank you, abi.
Thank you. You are welcome.
There you go.
Look at this.
Heavy.
Super heavy.
Who's heavier? Let me check.
Careful.
Oh, yours is heavier. Hold up.
This good? No good.
This good.
Thank you. he came first. It's very interesting how they fight for customers.
Yeah, it's funny.
What's better than eating this near the
This is so big.
pier? It's so big. It's
Mine,
heavy.
mine for the win. Look at the size difference though.
I know. He did it so differently.
I know. Are you jealous?
I'm jealous. He also gave us the napkins. This is this soccer or football team, Beşiktaş. That's what I was talking about. They have Galatasaray, they have Fenerbahçe. $10 for two.
Yeah,
It's like
$5
dinner.
each.
Each.
Come here, come here.
All the meow meow is gonna cover.
Wait, you just dropped it.
Thank you. No, thank you. Meow meow. Oh, what happened? She's missing her hair.
She wants food.
Let's eat it. Let's
Let's eat it.
eat first.
Try yours.
Look at this. Ooh. The salads and potatoes. Mmm. Soft and cheesy.
Is it?
Mmm.
Try mine.
Let me try yours. Which one is better? Let's see. Mmm. Definitely hers better. More flavor.
Really?
More
Let me see.
cheesier.
Here. Gotta get a good mix of it. Look at this.
Ooh.
Mmm.
Try mine
Potato
now.
is so stretchy.
I know, cheesy, stretchy. Try mine.
Let's try a little bit.
A little bit.
Yours is okay.
It's okay, right?
It's okay.
I got tried.
Mine is very stretchy. Oh! Look.
We have now two friends, guys.
The perspective is very funny. Look. Get your Kumpir.
From Ortaköy. Forgot to tell you how we got here. We got lost once. We went to different area, Asian side of Turkey. I mean Istanbul. But this Ortaköy stop is in the European side. So anyway,
We have to go back.
we had to go back and take a bus. So we took a bus.
Lesson learned, just take a bus. It's easier.
Easier, yeah. Just stop in and that's it. You can use one card.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
You're gonna
Enjoy.
eat this.